presented by Emirat Petroleum. The exciting visual extravaganza will commence in 10 minutes in association.
Annyeong! Ito pa nga yung continuation ng ating paggala sa Blue Waters at gaya ng sabi ko during DSF, marami silang ganap. Isa dito ay ang drone show. If you are here in Dubai and you're planning to watch the drone show, dapat dun kayo sa may iDubai pumesto kasi rinig na rinig doon yung music background. And you can check in Google yung timings para sure na pagpunta nyo, may maaabutan kayo. And if you are currently outside of Dubai and planning to visit, DSF is one of the best times to come. DSF usually runs from late December to late January. It's the perfect opportunity to explore everything Dubai has to offer. O diba, napaka-informative ng video na to, kaso wala pa akong commercial kasi wala pa akong Airbnb sa Dubai. Cheers! Sa totoo lang, tinutur ko lang yung aking videographer dahil hindi niya pa to na-experience before. Siya, ayun na muna for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!